video. It's been about 2 weeks or maybe a week and a half, but you know, usually I was posting, you know, twice a week. And so for me to have this long break, you know, I got to come up here and kind of explain myself. So first of all, the main reason why I haven't been dropping a video as much as I usually have been in the past is the weather. You know what I mean? Of course, it's not riding season quite yet. Like, we have random days of like 70 degrees or 60 degrees, but for the most part, it's still cold, it's still raining. So, you know, the whole bike life has been put on pause for these couple of months. Also, my phone, because I use my phone to do everything. I use my phone to record, edit, upload, all that stuff. My phone has been going crazy, like acting crazy, not working how it's supposed to. So that has also been frustrating. So I actually got a new phone specifically to help me with loading and managing the content. So hopefully the camera quality is good, just like before. Hopefully we can upload without any hiccups and stuff like that. But today I thought it would be a good idea to start recording because I just got back from a ride, actually. Went to work this morning, came back home, and I was just like, you know, I'm gonna go for a ride, I don't care. It actually feels pretty good today as well. It's about 70 degrees, so it feels pretty good. Of course, I rolled the SP, as you guys can see in front of you. I also added some little sponsorship stickers, sponsorship decals, shall I say. Just a nice little touch. I didn't record the ride. I didn't wear my AGV helmet that has the GoPro and motovlogging setup. I wore my Arai motocross or supermoto helmet, however you want to call it. But of course, I don't have anything mounted on this one. Like I said, I just came home and just immediately grabbed my keys and went for a ride. But like I said, just wanted to give you guys a little update on why I haven't been posting as much as I should, because I actually have videos that are pre-recorded, but like I said, my phone has been really acting up and it's giving me a hard time uploading and stuff like that. But man, does this bike look beautiful or what? See, I love how the little decals look, guys. I got those little decals off of eBay for like, I don't know, $1. You know what I'm saying? The shipping was the most expensive part. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, nice little touch, nice little customization to the bike. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, so, you know, riding this bike, I must say, it's like therapy. You know, today I wasn't the upbeats, you know, how I normally am. I wasn't down, but I just wasn't, you know, as upbeat as I normally am. And I came home today and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna jump on the bike and go for a ride. I didn't go for a long ride. I was probably out there for about an hour. That's it. You know what I mean? Got some gas, went to some back roads, did some pulls. One thing I really want to learn how to do this riding season is learning how to wheelie comfortably and controlled. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to be out here just wheeling, you know, and hoping that the bike doesn't flip me backwards. I want to be able to have controlled wheelies, you know what I'm saying? Not chasing down a wheelie, because that's when it gets dangerous. But that's way off topic. I really just wanted to come out here and talk about how, you know, today was one of those days, man, where riding bikes, it makes it worth it. Because like I said, it really put me in a better mood. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't even gonna record today, but like I said, I rode the bike, came home, felt much, you know, better, much upbeat. And I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and post a video for you guys, test out this new phone, see if it's actually working how it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? So we can upload a video and see how it goes with that. But just a little update, short video, you know what I mean? Not much to talk about in this one. Just giving you guys an update. I apologize for not posting as I should, but I must say, stay tuned, because as these days start to get warmer and warmer, we will be going crazy. I have so much things planned for you guys. I have a good buddy of mine. I'm not gonna mention his name in this video. If we can link up and do a video together, then I'll definitely mention his name. He'll be on camera and you guys will see him. He actually just recently purchased a brand new M1000RR. And I couldn't think of a guy more deserving. He previously had a S1000RR, and I guess he just modified it to the point where there was no more. And so he traded it in and got an M1000RR. Good friend of mine. Hoping to link up with him soon so we can get some videos. I actually want to do like a little interview, not really, but you know, just get his feedback on the bike, comparing the two, the S1000 and the M1000. I think that would be a great video. I know a lot of you guys are also fans of the BMWs. Me personally, I only have Ducatis, so I can't do nothing about that. So having somebody like him on the channel more often would be great to give me more content, more diversity and stuff like that. Also, like I said in previous videos, we have secured an official sponsorship with the Motorcycles of Charlotte. Basically, I detailed it before, but basically I have access to their showroom. So if there's a bike that any of you guys want me to try out, to take out for a test ride or anything like that, I can do that for you. I can go down there and test ride a Street Fighter, a Panigale, a Monster, a Diavo. They also have BMWs as well. I can test ride an M1000, an S1000. Maybe not an M1000 because you know those are pretty pristine motorcycles that they probably want to keep as low mileage as possible. But I can definitely test ride an S1000 for you guys, double R or single R. They have so many different options of bikes down there. So again, huge stuff coming for the channel, guys. Stay tuned. Just waiting for this weather to warm up. That's the only thing that's really bumming me out, man. But I have created a whole new page, not on YouTube, but on Instagram. I've created a page called M Life Affairs. I'll go ahead and put it in the video. I'll also link it in the description. That's where I do all my car content. So on this channel, I did not want to mix up like cars and bikes, because personally, me as a viewer, if I subscribe to somebody because they know how to cook, I don't want to see them putting out videos about bikes. You know what I'm saying? I have people that I subscribe to for that kind of content. So I had that mindset when it came onto my channel. So most of you guys subscribe due to motorcycles. So I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna keep pushing out motorcycle content on this channel. And if you guys are interested in car content as well, you guys can go on Instagram and look at my M Life Affairs Instagram page. That's where I have a lot of car content specifically for car guys and stuff like that. All right, folks, again, short video. I know I've been doing a lot of rambling in this video, but again, I haven't posted in, I don't know, 2 weeks. So there's a lot of stuff that, you know, I've been wanting to talk about, a lot of stuff that's been going on. So this video is kind of just that little catch-up video to let you guys know what's going on behind the scenes. Yeah, man, I'm excited. Also, if you guys are interested, I'm also supposed to be doing a test ride on the new Hypermotard. What is the 696, I believe, or 698, something like that. The new Hypermotard that came out, single cylinder, that everybody's going crazy about. It's taking the internet by storm. I'm supposed to be doing a review on that bike whenever it gets to the dealership. It's supposed to come this month, which is March. If it doesn't come March, then of course it's gonna come April. So it's all depending on when that freight comes in and I can get my hands on one of those bad boys, and we can do an awesome comparison between the 950, right, V-twin, and then the single cylinder. That'll be a dope video. Hopefully we can find a friend that purchases one of those bikes. That way we can do a more in-depth video, because of course you can't really do too much of an in-depth video with a dealership motorcycle. You gotta take your time, you gotta be careful, you gotta, you know, baby the bike. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, just went to my therapy session on the SP, and I'm feeling much better. If you guys are paying for therapy, if anybody out there is paying for therapy, like you're going to a therapist and you're sitting down and talking about your problems, I'm telling you right now, you're wasting your money. Buy a motorcycle, okay? And that's your therapy right there. Just go out and ride. Go out and ride, okay? Whenever you feel down, whenever you feel stressed, go on your bike and go ride, and that is your therapy session. All right, folks. I will catch you guys in the next one. I really appreciate you guys continuously supporting the channel, continuously liking the videos, continuously commenting. Like, that stuff really means a lot to me. I really enjoy responding to the comments. There's been so many people that I've met, you know, So many people that have told me that I inspire them in some way, shape, or form. So many people that have reached out to me that have said, you know, they have a similar bike, similar setup, and they have questions or comments, and that stuff always is useful, especially when I might say something and I'm wrong, and there are people there that can correct me, and that's no problem at all, because that's what we're all here for, to correct each other and help each other. So thank you guys again for watching the video. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and give the bike a startup for you guys. Like I said, I just rolled the bike, so it's already pretty warm. Look at those Oleans in the sunlight there. Beautiful. Look at this bike in the sunlight, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that carbon fiber. Wow, amazing. Look at that helmet. I was trying to buy a helmet that somewhat matched the theme of the motorcycle. But man, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little startup for you guys, and then we can get this show on the road. I haven't cracked 1,000 miles yet. You'll see here in a second. Look at that, Racing Evo. 878 miles. Haven't even cracked 1,000 miles yet. But anyways, let me put it in neutral. Give it a quick startup for you guys. Let me walk around this side so you can really get the full sound of that Termi full exhaust system. Beautiful. Sounds beautiful as well. Folks, so that was my little video for today. By the way, this sound does not come across on camera. Just take my word for it, trust me, because when I was buying this exhaust system, I was trying to listen to every video I possibly could, and then I heard it in person and it was a completely different sound. So if it sounds like trash to you on video, trust me and believe me, that's not how it sounds in person. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Continue to dream your life and live your dream. Thanks for the support, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.